Hello and welcome to this one palette look from the Syzygy Comet Crush palette. This is a 6-color palette and it's Chameleon Glow, as they call it. The palette cost me $19.99 on Amazon, but I subsequently saw it for $15.99, so it's a really good value for the palette. And even though some people have said you need some mattes to go with it to do a look, I just don't agree because I'm completely willing to have shiny eyes. This look used the mock moon and then the nebula and the halo, just those 3 colors to make it happen. Also, because this palette tends to have some intense fallout, I did actually use eye shields for this one just to make it a little bit easier to deal with the consequences of the fallout. So I started with the mock moon and I put it in the inner corner and pulled it across the lid to about the middle of the lid and pulled it up to the brow bone, and I did this on both eyes, just really lightly, giving it a little bit of a base of this shimmery purpley color. Then I went in with the deeper purple nebula, which is quite glittery actually, and I put it in the outer corner and the outer V, and I pulled it in across the crease to the mock moon. From there, I went into the center and I put that gorgeous red shade halo right there in the middle. And then I also put it in the space between where I put the eye shield and the lower lashes. Then I cleaned off the brush and I went back in and I took more of the mock moon and I used it to blend out the halo on either side with the nebula as well as the mock moon, and then I brought it up to the brow bone. And then I also used it in the inner corner of both eyes to finish the look. It's a pretty soft look and pretty subtle despite the fact that it's pretty shiny. And it was under 5 minutes application time. Hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.